So welcome back to my series on having healthy, mature hair. I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best, and I'm here every week with a brand new video for women over 40 and women over 50 who just want to look and feel our very best, and part of looking our best is our hair. I am not a hairdresser. I am not a professional. I'm you. So these are my tips, my ideas, the tricks that work for me to keep my hair a little bit healthier. And I have thin, fine, obviously very straight hair. And so I know that a lot of people, when they do second day hair, like the first day they might do straight, the next day they might curl it just to extend the style. I have never been able to do that. My hair will not hold a curl. Will not. So I have to work with what I have. So the very first thing that I start with when I'm going to do second day hair is I start with a dry shampoo. I've tried a lot of dry shampoos, and this one right here is my favorite, and I'm going to show you how it works for me. If you've watched any of my other videos before, you know that I really want to find good, reasonable, effective makeup, hair, whatever products at lower price points at places like Walmart or Target or Walgreens or whatever. Having said that, if you saw my video on getting the buildup off your hair and detoxing your hair, or if you're following me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best, you know that I have recently fallen in love with Living Proof products. I have to say that they are a little bit more expensive than some of the things that you're going to find at, CVS or Walgreens, but I love them. And I'm going to tell you about this dry shampoo and the best way to use it to make it the most effective on your hair when you're trying to extend the life of your hair and your hairstyle. I've used a lot of dry shampoos before. I keep coming back to this one. It does say that it actually cleans your hair and eliminates oil, sweat, and odor. I have really found that to be true. The best way to use this is to shake it, and you want to kind of shake it in between every spray. Once you spray this on your hair, you want to leave it on there for a few minutes. So I usually do one of two things. And by the way, if you have more hair than I do, because I don't have a ton of hair, but if you have more hair than I do, if your hair is very thick, you may want to spray just a little bit more, make a few more sections to really get it down in there. But always put it on. And leave it on there for a couple of minutes. So you can either do this right before bed. I do that a lot so that it just absorbs all the oil that my scalp produces at night. Or a lot of times what I do is I spray this right before the shower, and then let me show you what I do right before I get in the shower. This is me right before I get in the shower. Rather than buying a shower cap, I just don't want to have one more thing. Obviously, I'm going to use a towel to dry off when I get out of the shower. So what I do is I just take my towel and I wrap my dry hair with the dry shampoo sprayed in it. I just wrap it in a towel. That way, when I get out of the shower, the first thing I do is I just take the towel off of my hair and then dry my body. So it just makes it the easiest thing for me to do. Now when I'm getting ready to style my hair, one of the biggest secrets with the dry shampoo, actually two secrets. One is before I get ready to style my hair, what I want to do is do this. I want to get all of that in there, and I want to take either a wide tooth comb or a brush, something. And I want to get all of that in there and have it absorb all of the dirt, all of the hair products, everything out of my hair, and then shake my hair so that all of the dry shampoo and all of the dirt is gone. That's the first thing. But I'm going to show you my secret is the next thing that I do. So one of the things that really, really works for me for second day hair is the dry shampoo. Then I put it in a towel before I get in the shower, and then before I style my hair, I work all that dry shampoo in there, I brush it all out, and then I blow dry it. Because have you ever awakened? I don't know. Anyway, and your hair is just like doing weird things. You know what I mean? It's just like this. Okay. So get that dry shampoo in there, work it all in, and then turn that blow dryer on. And like I said in my blow drying video, if you watched me do my blow drying, I blow dry it a lot in the opposite direction so that I get it exactly in the place that I want it. And now, once I've got that dry shampoo in there and then I worked it all out and I blew my hair dry again on high heat, now I can do just about anything that I want with my hair today. In a second, I'm going to show you my really quick way that most of the time I wear my hair the second day. But I want to say, I know we're talking about healthy, mature hair and not washing it a second day and not using the blow dryer. And I know that I blew through my hair with the blow dryer, but here's what I want you to know. Your hair is the weakest when it's wet. And I didn't spend near as much time blowing that dry shampoo through my hair. So it's not a lot of damage. It's not a lot of damaging dryness. I'm not like really concentrating on drying it and styling it. All I'm trying to do is get this out of my hair, you know, those funky ways that you sleep on your hair. And I'm trying to get that dry shampoo out. So I have the blow dryer on my hair for like 45 seconds. That's it. So that blow dryer just gets your hair back in the direction that you want it to be in from, you know, that bed head that we usually wake up with. So really quick, let me show you how I normally style my hair on the second day. And now I'll probably take my flat iron and kind of run through my bangs just a little bit, but I spray a hairspray on it. I don't care that some of those little hairs come out of the bottom. That doesn't bother me. But I will put a little hairspray in my hair and maybe fluff up the bangs a little bit. And I'm pretty much done. I'll leave you a link to the dry shampoo. And if this was helpful and you enjoyed this and you had fun with me today, I would love it if you would share this with your friends, smash the like button, subscribe, and definitely come back and see me next time. But definitely, for the health of our hair, try to extend your style as long as you can. Use your dry shampoo, throw it up in a towel, you know, quick blow dry all that dry shampoo out, and try not to wash your hair every single day because it's just gonna make our hair so much healthier as we get older. So for now, go out today and be blessed and do your best.